Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and I will be showing you how to make a right turn in a residential area, and let's do it together. Alright folks, so today I will be teaching you how to make a right turn in a residential area. So there are basically three right turns in a residential area. Number one is making a right turn without a stop sign. Number two, it's making a right turn with a one-way stop sign. And number three is making a right turn at an all-way stop sign. So we will be doing each, and follow me so that way I can explain all the steps in where we should be stopping and how we're making a right turn in a residential area in three different situations. Let's do it. Alright, so we're making a right turn at an intersection with a one-way stop sign. So when you're making a right turn at a one-way stop sign in a residential area, the same thing for every stop sign or any intersection. About 3 houses before, you check your rear view mirror, you signal to the right, you check your blind spot to the right, and then your whole focus should be right at the intersection. On the intersection, watch for pedestrians. Pedestrians very important, and they always have the right of way. So all way and one way, the difference is that for all way, whoever stops first goes first, but one way you have to come to a complete stop. So when we are stopping, if there is a line, so obviously we make sure that our hood is aligned with the last white line. If there's no line, then you align your hood with the grass on this side of the pedestrian walkway. So you come to a complete stop. So once you come to a complete stop, you're going to check left or right for any pedestrian. Make sure there's no pedestrian, bicycles or scooters, very important. And then you creep up. So for one-way stop sign, we usually stop 2 times. You creep up a little bit, so that way you have a better visibility. You look left and right for any pedestrian, cyclists and stuff, but mostly when you're making a right turn on a one-way stop sign, you have to look left for any oncoming traffic from the left side. When there's no cars, then check a blind spot to the right, and then you start turning towards the right, and that's how you make a right turn at a one-way stop sign in a residential area, and then you proceed and go. Alright, so we're making a right turn at an all-way stop sign in a residential area. So when we're doing that, about 3 houses or 5 seconds before we reach to the stop sign, we're supposed to check our rear view mirror. We signal to the right, we check our blind spot to the right, and then our whole focus should be on the intersection. Please make sure that you're looking at the intersection, see who is coming first, who is leaving first, and watch for pedestrian and all that kind of stuff, because very important when you're making a right or left turn at an all-way stop sign. So, and when you approach the intersection, you're coming to a complete stop. So when we are coming to a complete stop, please make sure that the last white line reaches your hood. You come to a complete stop here. Once you stop, then you check your rear view mirror, left side road, front road, right road, left again, and then you check your blind spot to the right, and then you start turning your wheels towards right. You're supposed to be about 1 meter away from the curb, and this is how you turn, and then you just proceed and continue going straight. So that's basically how you make a right turn in an all-way stop sign. Alright, so making a right turn in a residential area without a stop sign. We did the one-way stop sign, all-way stop sign. Now we will be making a right turn in an intersection when there is no stop sign. So again, the same thing. We check our rear view mirror, we signal to the right, we check our blind spot to the right. And then when you're making a right turn in an intersection when there is no stop sign, about the length of 2 cars before, bring your speed down to about 15 kilometers. The recommended speed limit is 15 kilometers per hour. And when you're making a right turn, please make sure that there are no pedestrian. If there are pedestrian, make sure you're coming to a stop. Even though there's no stop sign, check a blind spot to the right, nice and slowly within that 15 kilometers per hour speed limit, make your turn. And once you make your turn, then let go the steering wheel, and that's how you go, and that's the right turn without a stop sign.